Hi, I'm showing you today everything that I'm bringing with me, excluding clothes, shoes, jackets, and personal items like tweezers, nail clippers, that type of thing. Okay. And some of this may go and some of it may not, but most of it's going to go. And then we'll let you know how it all plays out. Okay. We're starting with my Osmo DJI Mobile 6, which I love, and I've been practicing with it. We're going to bring you great videos with this, all the scenery. So I've got that, and it comes in a nice little bag. Then this, my microphone, which I'm using, and there's an extra one. And it's funny because this one, when it came, I sent it back because I was like, that's not the correct microphone. So I sent it back and didn't open it, and it turns out it was the correct microphone. I got this again, and I opened it, and it was this, but the picture looks different. And that is actually, I think it's Maybesta. Yeah, Maybesta. And I'll try not to hit it when I'm talking to you today. Okay. And then, of course, I've got Bluetooth remote. Let's see. Definitely some extras of SanDisks. Security, this is keychain light, could be used for security at night, but mostly I'll probably use it as, if I'm taking night flights and I don't want to disturb the airplane and I'm trying to find something in my backpack that could come in really handy. Let's see what we got here. Oh, all my Septics, that's the brand. And that should cover me in any country. Comes in a nice little bag, bunch of different chargers and charging station. What else? Also for security, I've got a camera detector. Don't know if it works yet, but I've got it in case it does. Some of them, work and some don't. And this brand is Colbane. Okay. A tile. I think I have two of these actually for my luggage in case I have to check it. This is just for extra security. It takes somebody longer to get into your luggage if they're trying to get into it. This cracks me up. I love this so much. As a solo woman traveler, I'm definitely into security. So I'm bringing this doorstop. I've got two of them, but I'll probably just bring one because they came in a package of two. And this brand is, what brand is it? I'm not sure. Anyway, it comes in this box. And I tested it. And it literally says, it has high, medium, and low settings. And it doesn't. There's one setting, and it's really loud. So if anybody tries to break into my hotel room or Airbnb or something, they're going to run. Okay. And then I've got, and excuse me sniffling, I've got allergies. Let's see. This also came with the door stops, and that's just for a door jamb. Portable door lock. Let's see. Okay, so we've covered all that side. This is just to clean my luggage. Came with it. My luggage is away. And I'll show you that. This is a luggage cover just to help me identify it. It's kind of pretty, and I don't know if I'll use it, but it's not really a protector. It just kind of helps me identify my luggage if I have to check it, and I can see it in a real big hurry. I've got this stash band, which is going to come in really, really handy, that I will wear around my waist to carry my passport, money, that type of thing, and it goes under my clothes so nobody can easily pickpocket me. Fly Fit, I've never tried these, but sometimes the pressure of flying gets to your ears, and so these are supposed to help with that, so we'll test that out. I don't have that problem often, but sometimes. Extra earplugs, which I'll bring a bunch of those because I will be in noisy hotel rooms or cities sometimes. This came with my bag, and it's great for, I can use it for laundry, I can use it for shoes, whatever. It's always nice to have extra bags. And I've got packing cubes. There's 5 in here of different sizes. So that'll help with my packing. I haven't practiced packed yet, so it'll be interesting. I've got 2 tripods. This I'll definitely take. And this one I would like to take, but it's pretty big, so probably not. And of course I won't take the gigantic one that I'm using right now. These, of course, will just be tiny. They're just bracelets. And they're supposed to keep mosquitoes away. And I don't like spraying mosquito repellent on myself, so we'll test these out and see if they work. I'm sure that'll come in handy if they work. Self-explanatory. I'll bring a pin or 2 and some Post-it notes. I use Post-it notes excessively. This is near and dear to my heart. That's my baby. It'll probably get broken at some point, but he's going with me. Also near and dear to my heart, my bookmark. It says, "Go confidently in the direction of your dreams," Henry David Thoreau, and I thought that was appropriate. I'm bringing a couple pieces of jewelry, not much. I'm not big on jewelry or makeup, but these are my little fairy girls. They need their hair combed, but they're going with me. They're near and dear to my heart. My little Lucky Charms, I guess you could say. And then the little guy. Okay. Eye masks. I'm going to narrow this down to my favorite. I don't know which one I like the best at this point. Small brush. Let's show you this. Compact mirror that lights up with the battery in it. And that'll be good for, like I said, I don't wear makeup, but it'll be nice for tweezing eyebrows or something like that. Then we have a portable clothesline because a lot of countries have a washer but no dryer. And I don't know if I'll need it. We'll see. Let's see. I've got 3 luggage tags because one will go on the outside, of course. One will go on the inside. And I've got an extra if I want to put it in my backpack, I guess. And let's see. I have a pair that I wear and then 2 extras. And eyeglass cleaner. And then I've got all the eyeglass cleaner rags here. This I love. It packs real small, so that's really nice. This is basically for when I want to go to the local market in any country and get my groceries for the day. I have a couple laundry bags. I'll probably just bring one. Okay, and masks. I won't bring this whole box, but I'll bring some of these. I really like them because they are super comfortable. They don't kind of shred inside where it's like some do that they are Lebanese, I guess you call it, KN95s, and they fit under glasses really well, and they're very comfortable. So I love these. I don't know about you. Do you wear masks when you go to the airport, even if they're not required? I do. I wear a mask all the time going to the grocery store where I live because I don't want the common cold. So, especially when traveling. Okay, then I've got shoe covers in case I am in a place where they want you to take your shoes off or, just if I have to take my shoes off in the airport. I love these bags. They were a gift from my Airbnb in Santa Fe. Those will pack pretty easily, I think. They're thin, so I can use those when I'm on day trips or getting groceries or whatever. And just an extra bag for probably put shoes in there. Another bag I really like, I'll put something in there. This I don't think I'll be able to pack. I love it, but that would be nice for day trips too, and it zips up, but it's pretty big. I'll take it if I can. And same with this one. Nice over the shoulder bag. Take it if I can. Then over here, I have the backpack. It's an Osprey. I'll be taking that, of course, packing as much of this stuff in it as possible. And I really love this hat that I got in Santa Fe. And I want to take that. And I don't know that I can. If I can't, that's okay. I'm learning to let things go. All right. And then my suitcase. I've got this cup holder, which I really, really like. It holds two. And also a pocket in the back for my phone if I want to do that. And this is my away luggage. Hard to see it, I know, but that's going, of course. And other than clothes and shoes, which I have to narrow down and I have to practice pack. Oh, I forgot one thing. I love these. I'll bring a bunch of these. And they're sanitary wipes for the plane and other things. This one is sweet orange, bergamot, and aloe. And this one is peppermint, eucalyptus, and aloe. And I'll bring some of those for wiping things down. And I think that covers it. So stay tuned. And I'm working on a video now for talking about how I got rid of everything and the emotions that go along with that, because I haven't really heard anybody talk about that. And it gets pretty emotional and it can be really tiring and wearying at times. So we'll talk about that in a future video. So stay tuned. Thanks. Bye. Okay, one more thing I don't believe that I showed you is my cute little laptop cover. It fits my Apple laptop perfectly. I also forgot to show my t-shirt. I'm proud of it because it's one of my own designs. It says, if it's backwards, I'm not sure if it is, I don't need a home, I have a passport. Thought that was appropriate. Thanks again. Bye.